Savor with me, Spam fried rice. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Savor with Neil, where it's all about quick and easy Filipino-inspired recipes. So it's Sunday lunchtime. I figured let's do something quick and easy. Let's do a Spam fried rice. Alright, so it's so easy to make. You can just do whatever you have. Pretty much the main ingredients is rice and Spam. I don't eat much processed canned food, but when I do, I usually save it for Spam fried rice. Alright, savor with me, Spam fried rice. Alright, let's start cooking. Let's do our garlic and onions first. So I'm just peeling the onion. You can literally whip this up in 10 minutes. It's so quick and easy to make. If you're just joining in, you know we use my mini processor, saves us so much time. So we're just gonna do that. All right. I bought some peeled garlic already. That also will saves us so much time as well. Grab a few, say around 6. 6 is good. There we go. Goes our onion. So our garlic and onion. All right. There we go, that's done. Got our minced garlic and chopped onion there. So next thing is let's cook our eggs. So if you know me, medium-high heat. Get some olive oil. Oops, I forgot to turn on my camera. So I just put in the 3 eggs here and then I'm just mixing it right now. Okay, and let that cook. All right, that's cooking. Okay. Our egg is pretty much cooked. Let's take it out. So next thing is you don't need to change pan. You can use the same pan. All right, just add more olive oil. And then we're gonna fry our minced garlic and chopped onions here. Okay. Okay, let that cook. So while the garlic and the onions are cooking, let's cut up our Spam into mini cubes. So we have our Spam, out it goes. Oops, oh shoot. Well, it's still good. So I wiped off everything, so we're good, okay? All right, so we have here our Spam. We're just gonna cut it into little cubes. It's so soft to cut. Spam is so popular in the Philippines growing up. Like we'd have it like with pandesal, with bread. We had it a lot like for when we were traveling. We had it in a sandwich with like egg. So it would be like a toasted bread with eggs and then the Spam and then mayo. It's such a hearty meal and like I know it's a processed food right now, but it's okay. I feel that, you know, I think it's okay to have it like, you know, once in a while, just as long as you're not having it like, you know, every day or you're living, you know, you're still living a healthy life, not too much of it, but you know, you're exercising, you're eating good. Otherwise, I think it's okay to have it like as long as you're not having it like every day. This is what I had it like as a cube. So like this small, okay. And then let's just check on our garlic and our onion. Okay, so we have it here. So it's now golden brown. Let's put in our Spam. Let's just turn our Spam into golden brown color, turn it into crispy Spam, and then we'll put in our rice and the rest of the ingredients. We got some veggies as well. So that looks great. So what we'll do is we'll put this on the side here. So it's all, the Spam's all covered with the garlic and the onion. So now what we'll do is put a bit of our veggies. So we have here peas and carrots. Peas and carrots here. Oh, there we go. That's great. Let's just kind of mix that around. The frozen peas and carrot cook pretty fast, so it doesn't need a lot of time there. And then we'll put in our rice. This is a day-old rice, so just gonna put some here. Now we're gonna put some sesame oil in there, garlic powder, ground black pepper. Okay, now mix it around here, and we're gonna put in our soy sauce. So our soy sauce. Okay guys, we're almost done. We just want to heat up our rice. This is almost done, guys. See how easy this is? This is insane. So if you want something very hearty and very quick for brunch, we usually have Spam fried rice for breakfast, but you can also have it for lunch or a nice Sunday brunch. So I'm just breaking apart the rice. Make sure it's all heated up. Okay, once it's all broken up and it's pretty much heated up, then I'm just gonna mix it all together now. Look at that, guys. It's amazing. And then we're just gonna put in our egg and we're good. And we're pretty much done, guys. Savor with me, Spam fried rice. All right, guys, so we have here our Spam fried rice. It's piping hot. Look at the smoke. Oh man, look at that. If you really want to level up your Spam fried rice, here's what I would do. I would put some chili oil on top, okay? Actually, before we put in our chili oil, we're gonna put in first our roasted seaweed, okay? So let's open this up. I have this in the pantry. I haven't used it, so we're definitely using it today. I'm just gonna break up like a quarter of it. Okay. All right. Okay, so there's the roasted seaweed. Just gonna put it on top. Oh, you guys can't see. All right, I'm gonna move it here. I'm just breaking apart our seaweed here. So I just broke apart our seaweed here. I'm just gonna put the rest onto our Spam fried rice. And then you really wanna go full out on your Spam fried rice. Put in some chili oil. This is the one that I use. It has peanuts in it. You can use whatever you want. Your favorite chili oil, crisp, whatever you have. Look at that. Oh man, and if you guys have been joining my channel or watching my videos, you know how I love spicy food. So we're definitely going into town with this one. Oh man, look at that. All right, guys. Savor with me, Spam fried rice. All right, guys, here we go. Cheers. Wow, that is so good. Oh my God. Guys, it's like bursting with flavor. Everything is there. That was actually a mouthful. We put in a lot of Spam in there, and then you have the eggs, and then you have the veggies with the garlic, and there's the onions. Everything just works together. Plus, it just got leveled up with the dried seaweed, with the roasted seaweed and the chili oil crisp. Crazy. Wow, that is so wild. Oh man, you gotta try this out. I'm telling you, so quick and easy to make. It only takes a few minutes. You have everything, like you have rice, just need some Spams, a few veggies, eggs. You're pretty much good to go. One more bite. Wow. That is so good. Oh man. You know what this would be perfect for is after a night of drinking, like gone out, this is like the best hangover food. Like this will definitely fix that hangover. I'm telling you guys, this is so good. We really put in a lot of Spam in there. And the seaweed and the chili oil crisp just really adds so much depth into it. It's so good. Look at that. All right, one more. I can literally inhale this, like no questions asked. This is so good. All right, well, let me enjoy this now. I hope you guys have an amazing Sunday. Thanks for joining me today and watching my video. Definitely try this out. Let me know how it is. Please let me know in the comment section what other Filipino recipes you'd like me to try or do. And just remember, keep savoring you. See you guys.